Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried believes crypto will thrive in Latin. Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO of FTX, believes that the future of crypto is bright in Latin. In a recent interview, Bankman-Fried recognized the rising adoption and demand that cryptocurrencies are experiencing in Latin, stating that US is expected to grow for remittances and payments in the future. Sam Bankman-Fried talks crypto in Latin. Latin is one of the rares globally that has become a cryptocurrency adoption hotbed due to its particular choice and circumstances, and the crypto industry is starting to notice. Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO of FTX and one of the richest men in crypto, has recognized the infancy crypto has in the region, and he believes this will keep growing in the future. In an interview with blogger Lenny Bankman-Fried declared the region will experience a rise in crypto adoption rates for different purposes. Bankman-Fried stated, "I think that the volume is going to increase over time and that we are going to see more and more adoption for remittances in Latin and that it is going to start being used for payment as well." Remittances are a big field for digitization in the region. Mexico, El Salvador, and other countries in Latin present a $128 billion remittances market that is still not digitized and thus is thought to present an opportunity for cryptocurrencies, a native currency and business in the area. FTX CEO, who has recently been involved in rescuing some of the crypto companies facing liquidity issues due to the current market downturn, believes that these new payments and remittances flow may benefit from a native cryptocurrency linked to the fall of fiat currencies in the region. There have been attempts at activating this, with countries like Mexico already having a token package to its fiat currency issued by Saylor, the stablecoin company. The company is interested in Latam and has been having conversations about potential business opportunities in the region Backman Fred. Backman Fred. Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you